Hi everyone, it's Sue. Are you ready to paint? Are you ready to craft? Are you ready for the challenge? I think you are. So today's the big day. I'm going to be announcing a new series of art and DIY challenges just for you. But before we get started, I would like to send a big thank you to Indie Annie Jones for having me on her show last Friday. So if you want to see all the wacky mayhem and her special guest artists that she had on the show, please check out the video link above. You won't regret it. And I will also put a link to Indie Annie Jones's channel down below because she is amazing. And again, thank you for having me on your live. It was so much fun. So what about these challenges, you might ask? So I hatched the idea of having some more challenging challenges. As I started off with having a hope challenge. It was more of an art challenge, but the theme was you could paint or draw anything you wanted as long as we had the theme of hope. So if you missed that challenge, I will put a playlist up above. Please check out all of the contributors to that. But the feedback I got from the artists was interesting. They said that they really enjoyed it, but it was really tricky because it was an abstract idea. It wasn't like painting pink flowers or brown bunnies or spring or Easter. You had to really think about hope and how you could incorporate that into an art piece. So I thought you guys are pretty smart, pretty tricky, pretty creative. So the next few challenges are going to also have abstract type themes. And they are now open to all art people or craft people. So you don't have to be just a painter or a drawer. You could be a DIYer. You could crochet, macrame, make jewelry, whatever you do. But you have to do it in the theme of the challenge. Are you ready? Grab a pencil and write these down. Friday, April 9th, faith. Friday, April 16th, love. Friday, April 23rd, strength. Friday, April 30th, courage. And I will put in the description box below what you need to put in your hashtag title and when you need to upload your videos and more details. So please check it out. So for my crafty friends, this might be a little bit of a stretch for your imagination, but just to give you a couple of hints. For example, the theme is strength. You could think of some really strong materials, like maybe something that's really heavy wood or maybe out of metal that you could embody the feeling of strength in. If it's something that is love, perhaps it could have some hearts in it or maybe some family photos. But in each one of your videos, I would like you to explain how your art piece or craft piece embodies the theme of the challenge. Sounds tricky, right? I know you can do it. Looking forward to seeing how your creativity plays out for this one. And also to let you know that Wednesday, April 7th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be going live doing my beach scene paint along with me. So all the materials that you will need to do a beach scene in acrylic will be also listed in the description box below. So grab your paints and paint along and chat with me Wednesday, April the 7th. So to get warmed up for that, I am going to be doing a different little beach scene today in acrylic. So let's get started. So I had this little 2-pack of 5x7 canvas boards from the Dollar Tree, and I thought I would make a little tiny beach scene to get me warmed up for next week. Now I just wanted to show you this palette that I had, this covered palette for my acrylic paint. I had the paint in it that I used for Friday night's live with Indie Annie Jones, and I covered it up and it was still wet and usable. And normally acrylic paint would be dried up by now, so this is really something you should invest in if you're going to do acrylic painting. I'm also using my Liquitex matte medium, and these brushes I got from BB Craft, and a paper towel and some water to wash out my brush. And I'm also using Liquitex Basics paint, but you can use any acrylic paint that you like. So I was going to do this as a time lapse, but then I thought maybe I should slow it down so you could see more detail. However, I did run out of film at the end, I apologize, so you don't quite see all the fine details. But if you just sit back and relax and enjoy the lovely beach music while I paint this lovely beach scene, Hopefully you enjoy it, and let me know what you think. And if you have any suggestions for the beach scene you would like us to do on Wednesday, the April 7th, please leave it in the comments section below. So relax and enjoy.